Get ready for an epic display. Gigantic chainsaws cutting through massive trees. And the raw power of nature unleashed. Strong, precise, and incredibly impressive. Don't blink. The lumberjack skillfully saws through each layer of wood, making precise cuts, preparing for the decisive moment. He continues to insert more wood and use a wedge to ensure the tree falls in the right direction, a task that requires meticulous planning and absolute precision.
Pour myself some tea here.
The massive ancient tree, standing tall for centuries, now gives way under the masterful skills of the lumberjack, crashing down with great force. Incredible. With a hydraulic press, some recycled materials, and brilliant ingenuity, these Russian guys have created a powerful and efficient firewood splitter. No need for flashy looks. This machine impresses with its outstanding performance and the creativity behind it. You'll definitely be amazed when you see it in action. Absolutely amazing. This machine splits wood so quickly and evenly. Oh my god, the Komatsu PC 108 is pushing the timber truck up that slippery slope. The wheels are slipping, mud is flying, but nothing can stop it. And passed. What an unbelievable performance. Wow, this guy is demonstrating how to use a tractor combined with a pulley to pull out tree stumps. It's beyond imagination. The combination of the tractor's power and the pulley mechanics creates such a brilliant and practical solution for farming and gardening. Have you ever tried this method, or are you still wrestling with stubborn tree stumps? Let's wait and see if this guy can pull the tree stump out. That's so great! It's truly baffling. Why would the driver risk taking this heavy truck over that fragile bridge? Do they not realize the danger, or is it just an inexplicable recklessness? Oh my god! This video introduces the Frontier OS to 7 Saw, a powerful and reliable machine, ideal for those who need to process large timbers. With the ability to cut logs up to 27 inches in diameter and up to 11 feet in length, it delivers outstanding cutting performance. Its sturdy design, along with the easy blade tension system, ensures the blade stays sharp. While features like the 4-post frame and automatic headlock provide stability and The Frontier OS-7 is the ideal choice for woodworking projects that require precision and high efficiency. What do you think about the advantages of the Frontier OS-7 sawmill? This guy wasted his rare luck on a tree stump instead of buying a winning lottery ticket. He should count himself lucky that the chain didn't slip off the stump and fly back at him. This is truly a real challenge. The logger climbing to the top of the cedar tree and securing himself to cut the top is a clear testament to remarkable skill and courage. However, workplace safety must remain the top priority, ensuring all protective measures are fully implemented for the job to proceed smoothly and safely. It's truly impressive to see the power of this wood chipper, but I disagree with the way the operator continuously feeds too much wood into the machine, exceeding its working capacity. This not only reduces efficiency, but could also damage the machine, making the process less effective and unsafe. What do you think about operating a machine like this? Is there a way to improve efficiency while ensuring the safety of the equipment? I think the operator used to work at Pate Farms and thinks that this chipper is a big fat goose. The driver's control skills in this video truly amazed me as he crossed a bridge made of two large tree trunks. Despite the truck being heavily loaded with wood, he maintained excellent stability, maneuvering each wheel flawlessly over the uneven points. It was almost unbelievable. Witnessing true expertise is a privilege. This lumberjack's precision is remarkable. Working on an incline presents significant physical challenges and makes accurate cuts more difficult, yet he navigates these obstacles flawlessly. His mastery is evident in every movement, and this is a testament to his exceptional skill. We all are impressed by powerful machines, right? And the 204 OXP2 is a prime example. With its 60-inch saw blade, patented log grapple system, and ability to handle even the most crooked logs, this machine truly exceeds expectations. The comfortable cabin and safety saw brake make the job simpler and easier than ever before. Oh my god, I've never seen such a cool logging truck before. The Hayes HDX logging truck really makes me say, incredible. Watching it effortlessly carry those huge logs without any trouble, who would have thought this truck could be so powerful? Have you ever seen power like that? Look at that, it glides so smoothly. This video is truly impressive, showcasing the power of 3 heavy-duty chainsaws, the Stihl MS881, Husqvarna 312 OXP, and FarmerTech G888. Each saw performs exceptionally well while cutting through large logs, highlighting their durability and efficiency in tough conditions. It's fascinating to witness these powerful tools in action, and their stability and strength are truly remarkable. If you enjoy seeing robust machinery at work, this video is definitely a must-watch. What separates a good trucker from a great one? It's that quiet confidence, that sense of knowing what they're doing. They've learned to read the road, anticipate problems, and find solutions. They are the backbone of the industry, and they deserve our respect. The pond scorpion king, like a colossal scorpion from legend, roams through dense forests. With its powerful arms resembling the tentacles of a deity, it grasps and fells giant tree trunks in an instant, as if weaving an epic symphony of steel and hydraulic oil. Are you ready to conquer the wilderness with this giant? If that adrenaline rush left you wanting more, hit that subscribe button and smash the notification bell. We're constantly pushing the limits of what's possible, so stay tuned for more mind-blowing machinery and epic feats.